The Wild Boar and the Fox. Storytelling. Good morning, class. Welcome in our E-class. Today we are going to learn an interesting story with moral. Moral is the teaching from the story or a good message from the story. There are two characters in the story. Both are animals. They are wild animals. Animals that live in forest are wild animals. Let us now begin our story. The Wild Boar and the Fox. As I told you, both the animals lived in a forest. One day, the wild boar was sharpening his tusks against the bark of a big tree. Tusk means pointed teeth that some animals have. Can you list other animals having tusks? Elephants have tusks. This wild boar was sharpening his tusks very carefully. There lived a fox in the same forest. Fox was always looking for a chance to make fun of other animals. He decided to tease Boar. He began to walk around the trees, looking left and right, up and down. But Boar did not pay attention. He was busy sharpening his tusk. Fox also began to act as if he was really scared. But the boar did not pay any attention to him. He kept on with his work. At last, Fox said with grin, "Why are you doing that?" Grin means smile. Fox said, "I tried very hard, but I don't see any hidden enemy or danger." The boar replied, "True, just now there may not be any danger. But when it really comes, there won't be any time to sharpen my tusk. My weapons have to be ready for then. If I am not ready, I will have to suffer." So, children, this story teaches us that it is best to be prepared. Don't leave things to be done at the last minute.